So I have a fantastic mystery that I have encountered multiple times with multiple customers, and that is the mystery of the budget changes. Now, this mystery often presents itself when a CFO is ready to finalize budget numbers, and all of a sudden there's some unsuspecting changes in there. Perhaps the bottom line is a little bit different, a line item or department's budget is just a little bit off, and we don't know how or when those changes were made. Now, this is an easy mystery to investigate. There's a lot of challenges that come along with this. Now, first off, everything was in one large, massive Excel workbook. And everyone had access to the same workbook, so it became a challenge to determine who made the changes and when. We could see who last saved the workbook, but that analyst said that those changes were already there, that they didn't touch anything. They only saved the workbook. So we tried to track it back. We went through everyone that had access, and they all denied that they made the changes. So we don't know when the changes were made, who made the changes, and we can't even determine what the original numbers were. So all I could think to do is a quick three-pronged attack. First off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna implement Solver's workflow. With workflow, every single budget change goes through an approval process so that only the right intended people can make changes, versus an Excel workbook where anyone with access can go in and make any change at any time without any accountability. The next thing that we put into place was locking down the budget. Once the budget is complete, we lock that down so no additional changes can be made. And third, we implemented version control. Sometimes it's very important to be able to compare one version of the budget to another version. So within Solver, users have the ability to create virtually unlimited versions of the budget. By putting that in place, we can compare our first draft to our final draft and see exactly what has changed at any time. This gives us full visibility and an audit trail into our budget and a solved mystery.